Mixed réflexion avec Jérémy Seewer en motocross de la Capelle Marival. So, Jeremy, last race of preparation, how was the off-season for you?
I mean, last season solid, first for fifth year, but now the preparation, was tough. I had quite a sickness, 3 weeks in bed, lost a lot of my, strength and physical strength and muscles and stuff. It was my first and last race before the season, so I wasn't 100% fit. I'm still building up, but I'm very, very positive how today went, especially good starts, smooth riding, okay, it's a special track here in La Capelle, even though I have to say this year they made an unbelievable preparation, but I'm happy how it went and I'm looking forward to the season to start.
It's your second year in the 450s. Do you have more pressure now?
Yes and no. I mean, of course, last year I was pretty much free because no one expected anything. But in the end, you still want to do well, and the pressure comes from inside yourself, But this year, of course, second year, you want to do better. If you want to do better, you need to perform better, and to perform better, it's more pressure. That's logical, but I like it, and I have a good team behind me, and I think we can make something nice happen this year.
Yeah, it's the same bike. It's a Yamaha, but it's a different team. What do you work on the bike?
A lot, it's difficult to explain this on one answer, but there are many things to work on, especially now in the factory team. It's incredible how many parts they have to change, basically what I ask they do, so you can also get lost, of course, go in the wrong direction with testing and stuff, but this is a matter of the experience in the team, and this is really, really well, and I think that's what makes me feel home at the moment.
And with all the testing, do you still have time to prepare yourself physically and work on the bike?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we separate test days to practice days. Usually the testing is done already after the season, so last year, that we can focus on training once the testing is behind us. So this is pretty well, Just like I said, this year I was 3 weeks in bed with like a lung kind of infection, so it took me a while to come back, and still now I'm not there, but step by step.
Okay, thank you, Jeremy, and good luck for the season.